Your Excellency, please convey my warmest regards to His Eminence, the Supreme Leader, Ayatollah Mojtaba Khamenei, for his sagacious leadership that Iran has been able to achieve this MOU and as a result ceasefire with dignity and honor. We offer our deepest condolences on killings of innocent Iranian brothers and sisters, children, which run into thousands of people. Yet, under your sagacious and very calm, Alhamdulillah, we are sitting here to peep into a very bright future. And I am very grateful to you and Iranian leadership for having abiding trust in Pakistan's ability to mediate with honesty and sincerity. And I want to assure you that as brothers, we will never let you down. And as they say, that true brotherhood doesn't have any question to answer. And here we are, and I want to assure you that we will carry on with this important role until we have everlasting peace in place on terms and conditions which are dictated by dignity and honor. We appreciate the courage, resilience of Iranian leadership and Iranian brothers and sisters.